please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and if you're new, welcome to Do Dream More, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing this Spotify glass or plexiglass artwork that you guys have seen all over TikTok, YouTube, everywhere. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how I made mine. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using. So I'm going to show you what I'm using, then I'm going to come back. So this is what I'll be using to make my item. I'm going to be using this printable vinyl. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. I'm going to be using this transfer tape. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to be using this printable vinyl. I'm going to be using this permanent vinyl. I'm going to use the 5x7. I also have 4x6 and 8x10s, but today I'm going to be using the 5x7. And I'm so mad I'm using the ruler to smooth the permanent vinyl down because I can't find my little Cricut thingy that's supposed to do it. Y'all don't understand how mad I was, how I was searching for it. But the show must go on. So this is what I'll be using to make my, they call it the glass music, the Spotify. They call all types of things. So this is what I'll be using to make it today. Okay, welcome back. So now that you know what I'll be using today, I'm going to show you. This is a template that I purchased from Etsy. It's not really a template. It's just how I'm going to use it as a template. So what I did was I'm going to put this in here, like I said, as a template. I'm going to make it small. So what I did was I went and I printed it out, and I'm using the 5x7 like plexiglass frame. So for my images to fit on there, they're going to be about 3. I wanted it to be about 3.8 by, nope. I wanted it to be about 3.9 by 6.158. So this is what I think I want my images to be. So what I did was I copied the picture from Spotify, the app, as well as I went to the website, and I went to Spotify website. I clicked on the 3 dots. I copied the link, the song link. I Googled Spotify codes, spotifycodes.com. I went in here, pasted. So I copy, pasted, get the code. The code came up on this side. Grinding on my life, victory lap. This is the code. There's no image, but remember, I took the image from the app. I made sure the format was an SVG because it typically comes in JPEG first, but I changed it to SVG. Then I downloaded it. Once I downloaded, I uploaded the image to Cricut. Okay, so that's what I did. So I uploaded this. I also uploaded the, as I stated before, the screenshots and the codes. So we're going to insert these in. You could do it multiple ways. I could have just inserted the picture with the code on there, but I didn't want to. So now that I have this picture, I'm going to use my printable vinyl, and I'm going to print that out. So I put that where that box is, but I'm going to click on the image, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to take away the box, because I don't really want the box. I just want the right size for the box. So I already did that. I'm going to go to contour, and then I'm going to click on that, and look, the box disappeared. So I already know the size that I wanted. And if for some reason I want to make sure it's the right place, let's say I don't think it's the right place, I can bring it back so it wants to go down. So really, I'm going to put this Spotify thing under here, so I want it to go up a little bit more. And I'll make sure it's the right width, the right size. And then I'm going to make sure it's not more than 7 inches. It's 6.56. Remember, it's a 5 by 7. So I click both of these so I know it's not going to be larger than my image. Okay, so I'm going to click this again, take that box away, and then I'm going to put this Spotify code. So when we scan it, it'll have the code. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to delete the black box. So I highlighted it. I'm going to delete it. Okay. So now I know everything is lined up the way that I want it. I'm going to add the text. Now you don't have to use this text. You can use whatever font you want. But to me, I'm just going to use this standard text that came with it. It's no big deal. I'm going to put, so you could do it, the name of the artist, then the song, or the song, the name of the artist, however you want to do it. For me, I think I'm going to do it this way. Even if it's not the standard way it goes, that's just the way I want to do it. Okay? Right? So I know I'm going to have to weed this, so I'm not going to make it real small. I know when you think about things you have to weed, that's how I do. I'm thinking like, when I have to weed this, it is going to take a long time. So I don't want to do it that way. I want to make sure I'm doing it as easy as possible. Okay? So that's just me. And I think I am going to change it. I'm going to go ahead and put the song name up like how it normally is on records. I like doing things my way, y'all. Okay? But we going to just do it the way that it goes. I'm not doing it smaller than that though, because I'm just thinking about weeding this out. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all. You could do it that way, or you could have came over here and pressed Command A for selecting all. We could do the shift to take away this, because it's going to be a screen, a print. We're going to print that. So this is all selected, and I'm going to press attach. So when I actually, now it attached. So now when I actually print this out, it will be able to, oh, what happened to these? Oh, wait a minute. Let's fix that. I don't know what happened to that. But when it prints out, it'll all print out together. I'm not sure why I took my other lines away. I don't like that. So maybe I'll do these. Oh, it's still attached to it. Okay, I'm not sure why it's doing that with these lines. But, so I'm going to go ahead, print this out, fix that issue with the lines, and then I'm going to go ahead and come back. So that's that, okay? Hope you guys follow me. And if I figure out why it did that, or if you guys know why, let me know. Because that's not how it should be doing. I don't know why it's doing it. So, okay. So that's all for this. Okay, so this is the first time I'm using printable vinyl, so we're going to see how this goes. So I put the vinyl on. I could have used printable paper, sticker paper, now that I think about it, but I put that on there. This is my first time ever doing it, so give me grace, but I put that on there. It's fine. So really quickly, I said I would figure out what I did. I just didn't attach it together. I separated them. So I didn't attach, so they're going to print separate, and that's how I fixed it. Okay, so remember I said I had to separate the two, so I separated the first one, the actual code. So now I'm going to go ahead and print out the next one. Okay, so I have the transfer tape. I'm gonna make sure I cut it the exact same amount. And then we're gonna do the first time I ever did transfer. Okay, so I had to change the font for this one. This font was too small and the Cricut was cutting it up. So I had to make the font a little bit larger. So now I'm gonna weed it off of here. Part of using a transfer tape, I'm learning what's my cup of tea and what's not. This is not it. It's just not it. I know what I'm good at and what I'm not, and I'm gonna leave these ones to other people. Okay, so I finally figured out how this thing works. After so many trials and errors. Because this, I told you, was my first time doing a transfer tape. I'm also finding out what's my cup of tea and what's not. There's certain things I'm going to stick to doing and certain things I'm not going to do. But you have to figure that part out in life, right? What do I want to take off? That's how you learn, trial and error. That's the point of living. You got to figure it all out. You got to figure it out. And I keep it so honest with y'all. Just let y'all know when it was my first time, if I ain't never did something, all of that. Uh-oh, because what's the point? I lied, right? Whew, sister had a rough time over here. I did, but I finished it. I did it, and I want to be done with it. Okay, guys, I did it. I finished it. I'm so excited. I did it, y'all. I did it. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.